Hello people! Let's start this vlog by trying out one of the best coffee spots here in Rizal. This is Cafe Infinite. Shout out to one of my best buddies in college who brought me here. Trying out one of the video trends, coffee with butter or butter with coffee. It's a very beautiful and good day indeed. We are going somewhere to receive a blessing that we never really expected. We got stuck and almost got caught by a police officer. Even if your new car is using an induction sticker, number coding is still effective. Then my teammates decided to have a team building on Valentine's Day, which is very traffic going there.
Walang iba kundi ikaw at kailan may walang kayo. Mabalik ka kung hihingan mo ng tawad.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.